This video is going to cover Objective 5.2 practice tasks. The first step is to select the title slide and apply the fly-in entrance animation. So we're going to select Natural Gardening, make sure that you have a solid line around it, and we're going to click Fly In on the Animations tab. Once you click the Fly In, make sure you know that this is what's in the entrance group. There's also a Fly Out in the exit group, Fade in the exit group, Fade in the entrance group. So it's really important to make sure that you choose from that specific group that it's asking you. Once you click Fly In, then it wants us to fly in from the left side of the slide. And then we're going to change the animation duration to 1 second because it happens a little bit quick. And then we're going to add in a sound effect, which is going to be the whoosh sound effect. So we're just going to hit the drop down menu here for this particular animation, and we're going to go into Effect Options. And then we're going to click on Sound, and we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and we're going to click the whoosh sound, which is the third available option up from the bottom. The next step then is to hit OK, and then we're going to go to slide 2, and then we're going to select the slide title and apply the Fade Entrance animation. So we're going to click on the title, make sure again you have a solid line around it, and we're going to click on Fade. After you click Fade, we're going to make sure that it starts automatically when the slide appears. So we're just going to click on Start here and just hit with Previous, and then it will automatically start once the slide appears. And then we're going to set the duration to 1.5 seconds. From there, we're going to select the bulleted list and apply the pulse emphasis transition. So again, make sure you have a solid line around it, and we're going to go into the emphasis group and then click on pulse. And then we're going to change some of the pulse options. And you can do that over here in the drop down menu, or if you go back into here, you can go into more emphasis options. And what we're doing is we are going to configure the pulse effect options to change the color of each list item to green after animating it. So I don't think we're going to do it in here. Let's go back to this drop down menu here, and we're going to hit Effect Options. And in here, after the animation, we're changing it to green. So here's the green color. And then also, let's just stay in this same dialog box, and we'll go to Timing. We're going to change the duration to 1.5. I'm sorry, the duration is going to be clear the bulleted list animations to start automatically 2 seconds after the title animation. So after previous and start automatically 2 seconds after the title animation. So we're going to do after previous and then a delay of 2 seconds. Sorry, I was reading that wrong. And the duration is going to be 1.5 seconds. So we're going to type that in here, 1.5. Then from there, we're going to go ahead and double check it, make sure we have everything pulse green 2.0, 1.5, and starting automatically after the previous one. So we're going to hit OK. Then what we'd like to do is take the animation painter and copy the animations from slide 2 to the corresponding elements in slide 3. So let's start with the title here on slide 2. We're going to click on it, make sure you have a solid line around it again. Click on the animation painter up here on the animations tab. We're going to go to slide 3 and then just click on the word results. It'll automatically then apply that fade effect. Then we're going to go back to slide 2, click on have a solid line around the bulleted list here. All the animations are then selected. We're going to click on the animation painter again, go to slide 3, and then click on your bulleted list here, and then the animations have now been copied over. We're still on slide 3, and then we are going to configure the title animation to animate letter by letter with a 20% delay between letters. So we're going to go back over here to the title, make sure you have a solid line around it. And we're going to go into the effect options here in this drop down menu, and we're again looking for it to animate by letter, animate text all at once. We're going to click by letter, and then we want a 20% delay between letters, so you can type that in and then hit OK. And then we're going to go to slide 4. We're going to apply the jump and turn effect to emphasis animation to the butterfly. So we are looking for jump and turn. And that's going to be here in the 3D group. That's why I was struggling a little bit. So we're going to click jump and turn. Then we're going to use the spin for the bumblebee. Click on bumblebee. Then we're going to go spin. Then we're going to configure a custom path animation that causes the ladybug to walk on a curved path to the center of the content area. So we're going to click on the ladybug and we are going to click on a motion path. So click on custom paths, and then here you're just kind of going to draw it. However you want to do that is fine. I'm not super picky about it, but it just needs to be a custom path. Then the next step is to do the shrink and turn to the mouse. Whoops, I've still got my custom path on here. I'm just gonna hit escape to get off of it and click back on my mouse. And we are doing a shrink and turn exit. Then apply the leave 3D to the frog. So we're on the frog and we are doing the leave here. Then it says to display the animation pane and do the following. Move the ladybug animation so that it starts first. That's animation 3. So you're just going to click on 3. And we're dragging it up top. So now that is picture 4 and that is happening first. Then start the butterfly animation at the same time as the ladybug animation. So the ladybug animation is for picture 4, and then the butterfly is picture 2. And we want that to happen the same time as the ladybug, so we're going to go up to the start and we're going to hit with previous so that those will play at the same time. And then we're going to have each remaining animation start after the preceding animation finishes. So then we're just going to go to picture 8 here and hit after previous, picture 18, after previous, 3D model 9, after previous, and then this completes objective 5.2 practice tasks.